Welcome to the vibrant and colorful world of the Holi Festival in India, also known as the Festival of Colours. Holi is celebrated every spring to mark the end of winter and the arrival of spring, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. During this joyous occasion, people come together to dance, sing, and play with colored powders, spreading love and happiness. The festival is filled with fun and laughter as everyone, regardless of age or background, joins in the festivities. Friends and family gather to smear each other with bright colors, creating a vibrant spectacle of unity and togetherness. The streets are filled with music, laughter, and the sweet aroma of traditional Indian sweets and snacks. Holi is a time to let go of inhibitions and embrace the spirit of community and friendship. As the day comes to an end, people clean up and exchange warm wishes and sweets, marking the end of the colorful celebration. Thank you for watching this video on the Holi Festival in India. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cultural insights and travel inspiration.